Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. It's Christine. It's Wednesday, September the 18th, and it's almost closing bell. This is my screen right here for my option and regular watch list, some codes and charts, but the charts usually run by 12, but on this I'm just filming this what we have right here. And I would like to highlight the S&P 500, the Tesla, and the Amazon. So we have here, this is Tesla, SPY, and Amazon. The three is based on daily time frame. Today we had a FOMC earlier. S&P reaction was swoosh and then recovered nicely. This is the S&P 500. Let's do the 3 minutes intraday for today. This is the 3 minutes. This is the FOMC right here. We hit the 298 lows and recover back nicely. I really like it. I really like the recovery towards close. Very strong close. Let's look at the 60 minutes. In the last 2 days, we can see that the S&P 500 has been consistently closing at the highs in the last 2 trading sessions. Right here, the high is at 301.22 and we're hovering right there. And I like Amazon as well, as Amazon is emulating the S&P 500. Very strong close in the last 2 days right here, the Tuesday closing and now the Wednesday closing. And we have the Tesla right here. Everything right here that we're looking at the 60 minutes channel in the last 2 days. Just want to highlight that. If you're new to my channel, I use very simple technical analysis. I use the simple moving average, which is this line, the 20, the 50, and the 200. If you are very new, you can look at here, the indicators and your brokerage. There's plenty of it. I just use this simple moving average with a little bit of RSI. And for the candles, you can click there at the setting, candlestick field. You have plenty of choices right here. But I choose for mine the candlestick standard form and the simple red and green. So let's go to our technical analysis and let's analyze Tesla. What I like about Amazon and Tesla for the week is, let me show you. First, let's begin with Amazon. This is Amazon in 60 minutes in the last 2 days. Let's look at the daily first. Here we are, the daily, the 3 months right here for the Amazon. We can see here in the last 2 weeks trading session, Amazon is hovering above 20 days moving average, but below 50 days moving average. But it's still, I'm taking it as a very bullish price action right here. This is our week price action right here. Hovered 20-day moving average support, but with a lower high. But what I like about it is that in the last 2 days, yesterday and today, Amazon is recovering almost at midpoint on the highs, which is, I'll take it as a bullish sign. And Tesla, as for Tesla, I like Tesla as we are forming a mini bull flag right here. This is a mini bull flag above the 20 and the 50-day moving average after spending below 200-day moving average in the last, I think, 6 months right here. There we go. We had 6 months below 200-day moving average, and now it's forming a mini bull flag to recapture the 50-day moving average. A successful breakout on Tesla would take us about 253 and back above, or at 50-day moving average at 260. And you can see here right now, let me just sidetrack the S&P 500 4 minutes into the close. It's back at the green levels, that almost minus 0.90% post federal minutes. Here we go, Tesla. Let's look at the 60 minutes in the last 10 days. Pretty bullish, although here found seller at 252, which is normal on any breakout chart. Like here, the first 232, it suffered pullback. So it pulled back and then higher highs and above 250, which is pretty normal. Now pulled back and making higher high and still grinding on that. It's still digesting this rally over here, but overall we are in the upper range for the technical on Tesla. And Amazon on the 60 minutes, we have here pretty tight range right here, 1850, big resistance, but I like this We are hovering right here, fighting it very hard on this support, and I like that. The S&P 500 on the 60 minutes, you can see here, pretty long green bullish candle right here, and this is heading towards the close last 2 minutes for the market. I really like this. I hope we had a decent follow-up move in the market. I'll follow up this bullish close that we can push towards record high, so Amazon and Tesla and the entire market can get a push through. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to hit the notification button, subscribe, and feel free to comment.